Hi everyone. We're going to look at the pre-chorus in Fire and the Flood. There are 3 chords. The first chord is a D chord. Start with your pointer finger on the D note, thumb on the A note, finger 4 on the F sharp. That's the D chord. The next chord is an A chord, and I'm going to move my pointer finger to the C sharp note, and I'm going to change fingers and use my 3rd finger on the E note. That's the A chord. Next, I'm going to play the E chord, which looks like the A chord but is in a different place on the piano. To play the E chord, I'm going to use my thumb and move my whole hand. My thumb is going to go to the E note. My pointer finger will be on the middle black note, which is called G sharp, and my 3rd finger will be on the B note. Three chords are D chord, A chord, and the E chord. The E chord gets played twice. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4.